Let's talk about apples. What else can you make with these delicious, juicy apples? Today I have prepared for you one amazing chocolate no-bake cake with only 4 ingredients. Come with me. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have prepared one special recipe with apples to cook this amazing chocolate cake that nobody can guess what is the main ingredient in there. This amazing creamy apple chocolate cake will impress all of your guests. Start by preparing apples for making the puree. Better to have sweet and sour apples to give the nice balance for dark chocolate, and also add sweetness. Peel apples and cut them to quarters and cut them down into smaller pieces. For cooking the apples I am using a Thermomix, but you can also use a pot to boil apples and hand blender to make the puree. Together with the apples, add cinnamon, little bit of sugar and boil it for 15 minutes until nice and thick. When using a pot, constantly move the puree for not burning it. All this to get the right consistency and amazing flavor. Puree is ready when it's thickened and looks like this, without any big pieces, smooth and has turned a little bit more brown. Put the puree into a container, but don't cool it down. Next, for the base, combine together these amazing rye cocoa cookies and room temperature butter. In Thermomix, it will be ready like 30 seconds. Otherwise, use a food presser or just a plastic bag and a meat hammer. When ready, align a 24 cm diameter baking form with baking paper and put the cookie mixture onto the baking paper and with fingers or spoon press it down evenly for even layout of the cookies like that and put it into the tray into fridge to set. For the filling, start by melting dark chocolate in a metal bowl over a pot of water. It's better not to melt the chocolate directly over heat with only a pot. Make sure the water starts to boil and remove pot from heat. For chocolate not to overheat. It is ready looking like this. Next step is to combine warm apple puree to the chocolate. It will split in the beginning, so for making a better emulsion, use a hand blender to bring the mixture together again. Looking smooth and without any pieces, add a little bit of honey or sugar syrup for sweetness. Feel free to skip this part. For a smooth finish and easy to remove when ready, I will place plastic cover on the edge of the form on top of the base. Cut them out from a bigger piece of plastic or piping paper also works. Make sure all sides are evenly surrounded and no mixture can escape and leak from the sides. When this is done, put the chocolate and apple mixture on top of the base. Shake it for even surface and place into the fridge for 4 to 6 hours to set. For decoration and balancing the strong dark chocolate taste, I will whip some cream to decorate the cake later. Remove the form and plastic gently for a smooth sides and smooth finish. You can see how shiny the cake is and nice edges also. Serve it on a cake stand or plate for a special occasion. With a warm knife, cut the cake either into 8 or 12 pieces. Warm the knife with warm water, dry from water every time cutting a new piece, and also clean the knife from chocolate before cutting next piece. Decorate each piece with a knell of whipped cream. This can also be a mixture with cream cheese with a more stable outcome, but this time I will be serving it in a short time, so only whipped cream works well. Put the spoon into warm water and on the surface of the cream slice a knell with a spoon. This technique maybe needs a little bit practice. What do you think? Leave me a comment if you want to learn more about this technique, because for me it took quite a long time before I knew how to make this. Dust some cacao on top and finish with some red berries, red currants, raspberries or strawberries. For some extra touch, I have some edible gold spray that gives this cake amazing royal touch and makes it shiny. And here is this velvety smooth chocolate cake. For share with any occasion, gorgeous. You will not regret making this cake. Enjoy! This cake is made with ripe, juicy apples and dark chocolate. But together these flavors combine one amazing creaminess with a little touch of acidity. If you like my content, then please subscribe, ring the bell and like my videos. And above all, I really appreciate when you leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.